Hey YouTube, welcome to the Small Business Grant Series video number 3. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this small business grant of $7,500. And you know that the grant means free money. It means you won't have to pay back a single penny to anyone. In this small business grant series, we are going to tell you about the grants, or specifically small business grants from all the 50 states. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon if you want to get notified for it. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check. And also, in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right in front of you, here's a great opportunity, and this time is for the state of California. Yes, the people of Oceanside City, you can get this grant of $7,500 pretty easily. All you need to do, you need to follow the steps mentioned in this video, and you can get it pretty easily. As you can see that on January 6, 2021, the Oceanside City Council voted to approve $750,000 in funding for grants to small businesses impacted by the pandemic. There are some eligibility requirements, and I'm going to tell you each and everything in detail, so please watch this video till the end. Grant funds will be awarded to the businesses on priority basis according to the following tiers. Yes, there are some tiers, so let's get straight into the tiers. I want to make this video short and precise so you can focus more on applying rather than watching the whole video of 15 to 20 minutes. No, I'm gonna make it short and precise right here. So the first tier, number 1, is independently owned businesses located in Oceanside that opened prior to March 15, 2020 and have been impacted by government actions to decree to close or significantly alter their business activity due to the pandemic. So if you fall in this tier 1, you are very much eligible to get it, so you are good to go. You can apply for it. Now tier 2 is independently owned businesses located in Oceanside that opened after March 15, 2020 and have been impacted or mandated by the government to close significantly or alter their business's activity due to pandemic. So if you feel like that you are falling in this category, then you can apply for it and you're good to go. Independently owned businesses located in Oceanside that can demonstrate that their business have been significantly affected by government actions or decree but have not been ordered to alter businesses practices other than requirements related to reducing occupancy and observing social distancing. This eligibility criteria is specifically for the restaurants and the other stores who have actually dine-in, so they have now low capacity, they cannot accommodate a number of people. So if you are an owner of a restaurant or any other store, then you can do that. Now this is really interesting right here in the tier 3. Businesses that are located in Oceanside are home-based. Yes, if you are a home-based business, you can also apply for it. For example, you do something from your home, you can get it, and this is a great opportunity because not a lot of grants are actually for home-based businesses, so you are good to go. You can get it. Grant ranging from $1,000 to $7,500 will be awarded based on the standard rubric factoring in business tier and financial impact of pandemic. So keep that in mind. The application period is actually, in short, I'm gonna tell you that the application is open until the funds are exhausted, so do it as soon as possible. Let me show you the application, how it looks like, so then you will have a clear view that how you can apply for it. So right here, I'm going to paste a link below in the video's description as well. You can go there, click on it and apply for it. But let me show you how the application looks like right here. So these are all the eligibility criteria right here. Let me just zoom in so you can actually see it properly. As you can see in the first one, they actually ask you for industry type, which tiers noted above best describes your business. As I already told you, whichever tier is actually For you, you can select it right there, your name of business, your cell phone number. Let me just tell you, it says business phone number, but I urge you to put your own cell phone number, so if they want to contact you, the call will directly come to you. Your email address, name of primary contact, of course business address, when did your business open, please describe how your business have been impacted by the pandemic, and please briefly describe your plan to maintain the viability of your business. Remember, this is free money, this is grant, so just fill one form and just go for it. Like, there's no harm of doing it. And then which best describes your decline in revenue during 2020 and compared to 2019. So you can do that right here. If you want to upload some documents like W9, so they can actually send you the money on your checking account or your business account, so you can do that. And then you have to confirm all of the followings. I'm not going to read it in detail because it's going to stretch the video a lot. And if renting business location, please provide name, phone and email address of the landlord. So you can do that. All you need to do, you need to sign in today's date and save and continue, or you can submit right here. This is all about it. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.